Welcome to our guided sessions on mindfulness for anxiety relief. In this video, we'll explore various mindfulness techniques specifically designed to alleviate anxiety and manage panic attacks. Anxiety often arises from excessive worry about the future or dwelling on past events. Mindfulness offers a powerful toolset to manage anxiety by focusing on the present moment. Let's begin our first session with grounding techniques. Find a comfortable seated position or lie down. Take a deep breath to center yourself. Engage in the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding exercise. Name 5 things you can see. Four things you can touch. Three things you can hear. Two things you can smell. One thing you can taste. Shift your focus to your breath. Inhale deeply for a count of 4, hold for a count of 4, and exhale for a count of 4. Repeat this pattern, allowing your breath to anchor you in the present moment. Perform a body scan, starting from your toes to the top of your head. Notice any tension and release it with each exhale. Progressively relaxing each part of your body. Transitioning into our second session with a focus on mindful breathing. Find a comfortable position and let's begin. Engage in box breathing. Inhale for a count of 4, hold for a count of 4, exhale for a count of 4, and hold again for a count of 4. Repeat this pattern, allowing your breath to regulate your nervous system. Focus on your breath. Inhale deeply while counting to 7, and exhale slowly while counting to 11. Lengthening the exhale can help calm the mind and body. Engage in a mindful breathing meditation. Focus on the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your body. Letting go of any intrusive thoughts. Moving into our third session with progressive muscle relaxation. Find a comfortable position and let's begin. Start with your toes, tensing the muscles for a few seconds and then releasing. Gradually move up through your body. Tensing and relaxing each muscle group. As you tense and release muscles, synchronize your breath. Inhale as you tense and exhale as you release, letting go of any remaining tension. Conclude by visualizing a wave of relaxation flowing through your body. From head to toe, leaving you in a state of complete calmness. Consider integrating these mindfulness techniques into your daily routine. Practice regularly to build resilience and manage anxiety effectively. As we conclude this session on mindfulness for anxiety relief, remember that these techniques are tools at your disposal. Embrace them as a means to find peace and calm amidst anxious moments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with those who have anxiety problems. Stay tuned for more enlightening content.